In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to fix Texas Chainsaw Massacre Network Error Unable to log in to PlayFab. Step 1. Go to the search icon and look for Task Manager and then click Open. Now, what you're going to do here is to simply click anything that is related to this application or anything that's related to your Texas Chainsaw Massacre application. You have to end that. So to end, all you have to do is to click, right click, and then click this end task. That's the first thing. That is our step 1. Step 2, what you're going to do is to simply go to the search icon again, but this time you have to restart your computer. After that, open your account and it may fix Texas Chainsaw Massacre network error. Step 3, go to the search icon again, and this time you have to look for Windows Security. Tap this, and then under Windows Security, you have to look for Firewall and Network Protection. Tap this one, and then go to Allow an application. Click this. Now you have to go to Change a setting, and this time you have to allow this application to run so that it won't be blocked by the firewall and network protection. After that, click OK. Now, let's proceed to step 4. Step 4 is you just have to go to the site, support home, and submit a request. What they need is that your email address, information such as what platform do you play, your issue or your problem, okay, and then your subject. For example, of course, I can't log in or I cannot play the game. Please help me, something like that. And then below here is the description of issue or the reason why you are writing this message or the reason why you're submitting a request. So you must be very specific with this, and also you can add some pictures here as a proof. Once done, click submit and wait for the customer service team to respond to your problem. I do really hope this video helped you. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next tutorials.